Hello everybody, it is me, Acepilot109, also known as Captain John, and today, me and my dad are going to be doing a little modification to our 1973 Chevy Blazer. We're going to be replacing this old tailgate with a newer Chevy truck tailgate.
The tailgate that we're going to be using, we run topless in the summer with a bimini top. So we want to go with the Chevy pickup tailgate to save weight, and our existing tailgate doesn't have the glass in it anyway. So we really like the Chevy tailgate because it does say Chevrolet on it.
So our plan is to undo the bolts there and there on each hinge and keep the tailgate latched so it hopefully holds all the weight even when the hinges are no longer connected to the truck. We'll leave one in just in case it doesn't work so it doesn't fall off the truck.
I need some leverage on this one.
Taking out the last bolt. Gotta undo the tailgate strap. Probably should have done it first. Some good old duct tape. Keep all the pieces together so we don't lose any. Take off the strap on the other side.
Okay.
So we've undone the hinges and the straps, so should be ready to come on.
So that should fit this one. It slides in. This one's totally round, so this will be the driver's side. So it'll go on first. Okay. These are called the trunnions, part of the hinge assembly. And the K-5 is already drilled for the trunnions to bolt on. Nothing's ever been in these bolt holes before. I'm gonna lubricate it with something, and then I'm gonna drive the bolts in there to make sure the threads are clean.
Just making sure those threads work.
Making sure they're clean. They've never, for the last 50 years, nothing's ever been in them. Just want to make sure that we can get the bolts started nice and easy.
And same process on the other side. Putting the trunnion on.
These are the straps and the latch mechanism for this particular year of tailgate. You do have to make sure that your straps match your tailgate. So you try to get them from a similar year. I think there's 2 or 3 varieties through the years from 73 to the 80s. Some of them have a separate latch. Some of them have an integral latch, which are the straps.
So the hinge piece has the open side, and that goes on the side on the passenger side that looks like that, and then on the driver's side it's a completely closed piece, and that'll go around the full circle piece. And the tailgate latch will actually grab onto the part of the strap all in one.
I think the K-5 latch will be not used at all for the original one. I think we'll leave ours on there for now. I believe you could remove it though if you wanted to.
So that's the original latch for the K-5 tailgate. All right, see how this goes. That side goes on first. If there, you're on. Just slide it in.
Now, it may need adjustment. It may or may not close yet. We'll see. There's a little bend in the middle. We're going to tap that in with the hammer. It will close. It's just tight on that side, it looks like. So let's see. Now let's hope that we didn't test this handle, so I hope it works, or we won't be able to open our tailgate.
Oh yeah, I don't want to get stuck on. Ah.
The very first time it's ever had a tailgate. Pickup style. It's the K-5 latch. You don't have to remove it. It's fine. The clearance.
Yep, so the original latch can stay in there.
I paid $150 for the tailgate. I got the hinges and the bolts and the trunnions off eBay for $40. So all total we have $190 in the tailgate conversion. So our next project is going to be to try to pull some of the dents out, maybe do a little body work on this tailgate, get it a little closer. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we've got a new welder, so we think we can, we're actually going to weld some nails on here and use a puller, a vice grip slide hammer that we built to help pull some of these dents out. And we'll grind that paint off. We're going to sand it down, and we'll put a coat of paint on it, and then we're going to try to paint the Chevrolet lettering on it as well. We may have a video showing how we're going to do that.
So that's how you put a pickup tailgate on a K-5 Chevy Blazer.